Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Global shares edged into the red and investors, wary of rate hike narratives, braced for US inflation data and a corporate reporting season where robust results are needed to justify high valuations. Litecoin emerged as the most utilized digital coin for payments for the second successive month. BitPay, the world's leading crypto payment processor, revealed that traders preferred LTC to complete digital payments as BTC and ETH maintained high transaction fees in 2023. South Korea's Qcells said it will supply Microsoft with 12 gigawatts of American-made solar panels through 2032, in what the company's called one of the largest ever deals of its kind.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's labour cash earnings will be released at 23:30 GMT, the US Redbook Index at 13:55 GMT, the UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. The Eurozone's unemployment rate at 1000 hours GMT, Germany's industrial production at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.